In this video, I am going to guide you on how you can install SSL certificate on your domain. And you know that when you have SSL certificate on your domain, your website will be secured, all right? And you are not going to see anything like this, not secured. Now, when people see your website as non-secured website, they feel afraid. Okay, let's say if you are taking payment, it is very difficult for them to add their credit card because people can hack it. You understand? Yes. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can stay out of trouble, okay, so that you can get a lot of people on your website. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Welcome to SaaS Media Studio. On this channel, we create lessons about website development, cloud computing, making money online, email marketing, cold email marketing. Those who want to send bulk emails, those who want to send, want to verify their emails, validate their emails, they want to extract emails. Okay, this channel is for you. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. If you are already enjoying this video, just give me some like. And also, if you have any question or suggestion, the comment section is there for you. Now, when you check the description, I have my contact details there. You can get to me. And I have a course on Udemy that teaches how you can build or create your own SMTP server. All right, so you can check the course out. It's on Udemy, right? All right, so you just first have to log into your Hestia control panel. All right, so you are doing this straight from Hestia control panel. Now, those who don't know how to install Hestia control panel on their VPS server, I have a video I have uploaded already on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. I also leave the link at the description. All right, go and check it out. Right, so now I've logged into my Hestia control panel or Hestia CP. All you have to do is navigate to the web section. So first of all, you should have your domain added already, because I'm not going to show you how you can add it. All right, now if you don't know how to add a domain, I did that in that video that I talked about. Okay, how to install Hestia control panel on the VPS server. Okay, and we also hosted a website in that video, so you can go and check it out. Right, all right, so now this is our domain. All right, so now you just have to click on the pen icon in front of the domain you want to add or install the SSL certificate on. All right, so I'm just going to click on edit. All right, so now let's scroll down. Now, since we are here for SSL certificate, you just have to click on enable SSL for this domain. Now, when you scroll down, you can see that the SSL certificate is empty. The SSL private key is empty. The SSL certificate authority is also empty, right? So what we can do is that we can click on generate self-signed SSL certificate, right? So all you have to do is just click on that, and you'll be redirected to a different page to do that. Or better, so you can click on use let's encrypt to obtain SSL certificate. Well, what happens is that it is going to automatically generate SSL certificate for you, right? Okay, so let's do this first, then you come back to the let's encrypt. All right, so I'm going to this section. All right, so now we need to enter our email. It's not compulsory, it's optional, right? Then you select your country. I'll leave it at US. Let's see, let me change it to Ghana. Then the province, I'll central. Then that's my region. Then let's say here will be Cape Coast. All right, so you write the name of your company. So you have to write anything. Okay, don't leave it at default. They have already written my company Inc. Don't leave it at default. Write something. Write anything. So I'm going for Smartivate. All right, so that's my company's name. So all we have to do is just click on generate the certificate. Okay, all right, so as you can see, certificate has been generated. So now all we have to do is we have to copy and then paste it here our own self. You understand? So you just have to come here, come to the SSL certificate section, Ctrl+A to select, or Ctrl+C to copy, then paste it over here. Now let's go to the next one, which is SSL private key. Okay, make sure you select or Ctrl+C to copy back here, then you paste it at the private key section, right? Now, so this is optional, so we are not going to do it. So you just click on save. So as you can see, changes have been saved, right? So now you scroll down, you can see that we have added our SSL certificate, right? All right, so what we have to do is we have to enable automatic HTTPS redirection. You understand? You just have to enable it so that when someone visits our website with HTTP, it will redirect to HTTPS. Okay, so the person will see the secured page. All right, so click on save once again. All right, so now the second option that we can do is that you just have to click on let's encrypt to obtain SSL certificate. Okay, instead of you adding it by yourself, you can just click on this and automatically it is going to generate one for you. But as you can see, it says issued to this, okay, not before and not after. All right, and you can see today's date, right, which is April 4th. Okay, yes, and signature and whatever. Okay, so the one we just added worked, but if it doesn't work for you, you just have to click on the first one to allow it to generate one for you. You understand, automatically. So now let's go back over here and you will see that the SSL section here has been checked. You understand? So we have been able to add SSL certificate to our domain. Thank you for watching this video. Listen, if you want to learn how you can create your own SMTP server that can send more than 20k of emails, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description. Go and check it out. Right. And those who want to learn how to install the Hestia control panel on their VPS server, I have a video at the description. Check it out. If you want to learn how to extract emails, how to validate emails, how to send bulk emails, I have a couple of videos on my channel. Okay, go and check it out. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give me some like, and so leave your comment and your suggestion at the comment section, and let's meet in the next video.